Wel, yn enw I di Ieuan Edwards, a fi ar ei gychwyn y cwmni dros 20 mlynedd yn ôl bellach. Bellach, da ni wedi ehangu'r busnes yng Nghonwy, a da ni'n cyflogi rwan o gwmpas 85 i 90 o bobl. Da ni'n allforio hefyd I Kuala Lumpur, a da ni'n gwerthu ein cynnyrch bellach I tua 800 o archfarchnadoedd, ledled Prydain.
We're a growing business. During my time with the company, we've gone from quite a small business to actually a medium, decent-sized medium business at the minute, and every day is different. That means we've got to wear lots of hats. Some days I'm involved more with technical and product development. Other days we're looking at category data and presenting to big retailers. So yeah, it's really varied.
Does dim diwrnod arferol, deud y gwir, o fewn y swydd, mae bob diwrnod yn amrywio gymaint. Dwi'n meddwl mae'r apel i'r maes bwyd oedd dod o gefndir amaethyddol, doeddwn ni'n eisiau ffarmio o ddydd I ddydd, ond o'n i eisiau gwneud rhywbeth oedd yn hwm ar diwydiant. Mi wnaeth I redd mewn Food and Consumer Studies yn Hap Radham, ac yna ar ôl ambell swydd wrach fwy wneud ag amaethyddiaeth, I gweld y diwydiant bwyd yn athyniadol, a mae o diddordeb mawr fi a gweld beth sydd yn gyrru cwsmeriaid I brynu. Dwi'n meddwl bod y diwydiant bwyd yn gymaint o wahanol gyfleoedd, beth bynnag eich diddordeb chi, eich sgiliau chi. Mae yna lot I fawr o agoriadau, deud y gwir, felly byddwn ni yn awgrymu fo I unrhyw dyn.
With the factory, you're probably thinking, well, it's meat production, isn't it? I'll be downstairs on the production line packing sausages. So yes, you can do that, and you can go in at any level. We'll give you the training. We can train you up. You can become a line leader. You can become a mixer. You can become a shift production manager. Depends what you want to do and what you want to invest your time and energy in. Equally, you can transfer into other departments. There's the commercial side, there's marketing, there's finance, business admin. The list is endless, and you can morph into other directions. We'll train you to do it, so long as you're prepared to work and show the interest.
My job is really varied each day. It can be different one day to the next. I'll be creating recipes some days, I'll be cooking up products the next day, I'll be contacting suppliers, taking on new briefs, and also we do go out to our customers as well to see what they want.
There's lots of opportunities for people starting off in food in Wales and North Wales in particular, but there's lots of opportunities to learn on the job as well, so you don't necessarily have to have those formal qualifications from the outset. You can learn it as you go, and a lot of the sort of growing businesses are pleased with that. They want you to grow with the business, which is very much what I've done here at Edwards.
Paid â poeni os ti'n gwneud os chdi ddim cefndir mewn bwyd. Llechyd dy hunain I fewn efo. Mae gyd I dy drin fel unrhyw un arall a dy ddysgu o beth sy'n angen wneud o'r cychwyn gyntaf sy'n rhaid chdi mynd I coleg, sy'n rhaid chdi mynd I ysgol. Chdi jyst cerdded I fewn a dysgu o'r ground floor basically a gweithio dy ffordd I fyny digon hawdd.
Swn i'n annog unrhyw un I feddwl am y diwydiant bwyd, ac am y rheswm yma. Mae pawb angen bwyd wastad. Unwaith mae'r cwpwrdd yna'n wag, mae o angen I lenwi. A dyna pam mae'r diwydiant bwyd yn ddiwydiant saff iawn I fod yn rhan yno fo. Da chi fwy tebyg o gadw swydd yn y diwydiant bwyd na unrhyw beth, ddeud y gwir.